Steps for injecting your insulin. If you are newly diagnosed with diabetes, the thought of administering an insulin injection independently can be overwhelming. In most cases, your doctor will guide you through the process, but here are some helpful tips that will ease the process. 1. Wash and sanitize your hands before injecting the insulin. 2. Keep your needles, syringes, and alcohol swabs handy before injecting the insulin. If you are using an insulin pump, read the guidelines before using the device. 3. Identify the site where you will be injecting the insulin. Make sure you do not inject on the same site in quick succession. 4. Sanitize the chosen site with an alcohol swab. 5. Inject into the skin slowly and steadily. The safest sites for injecting insulin are upper arms, abdomen, thighs, hips and buttocks. Hips and buttocks are also the least painful sites and the most popular. If you are new to this process, then ask a friend to steadily hold the injection site for you. For more information on diabetes management, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Visit CanadianInsulin.com for more details.